Hello friend, welcome to Take Force YouTube channel. This video discuss about by May the Force be with you visit this 3-star wars filming locations right in the US. So let's start my video. Summary: Death Valley National Park in California was one of the filming locations for Star Wars, particularly for screen scenes set on the desert planet Tatooine. Redwood National Park in Northern California was used to film the forest scenes for the Moon of Endor in Return of the Jedi. Buttercock Village near Yuma, Arizona served as the location for the Great Fight of Carcon seen in Return of the Jedi. Many of the most iconic scenes from the original Star Wars, including Tatooine Wars, filmed in Tunisia. Among other Star Wars set spots you can actually visit on an international trip, but some scenes were also shot in the United States, including in California, Redwood National Park, Death Valley National Park, and Buttercup Valley in the Yuma Desert. Well, most of the most iconic Star Wars filming locations are scattered around the world. Some are found in California. It turned out there are many things to do in that valley. Discovering star filming locations in one of the least expected. Death Valley National Park, the desert lands of Tatooine. Tatooine. Most Tatooine scenes were filmed in Tunisia, but some scenes were shot in Death Valley. Death Valley National Park is one of the most popular national parks in the United States and one of the world's most worldly landscapes, making it perfect for shooting a movie. Death Valley was one of the filming locations for the original movie Star Wars: A New Hope, Episode 4, formerly Episode 1. Dead Valley was where a number of the Tatooine scenes were shot, including one of the first scenes of the movie where R2D2 and C3PO go their separate ways after crashing onto Tatooine while making their escape from the Darth Vader and taking over Princess Leia's ship. This scene was filmed on Mesquite Flat Sand Dunes. I thought here is some footage in this scene from Tunisia in North Africa. Dead Valley filming location. Mesquite Flat Sand Dunes. Artist Flat and Golden Canyon. Artist Drive. Desolation Canyon. Dent View. 20 Mule Team Canyon. Dead Valley artist Platy and Golden Canyon was the scene he where R2D2 was abducted by the Jawas, at least partially, as this scene also has footage from Tunisia. You will never find a more verted hive of scrum and villainy obi when of most easily. Other scenes shoot or partly shoot in that valley include artist drive where in the mini St. Cloud when filmed as R2D2 was cried by the Javas. Desolation Canyons, the scene of Toxin Rider getting on their Benta just before they attack Luke Skywalker, and Dante's view used as an establishing shoot for most easily. Entry fee $30 per private vehicle. National Park entry fee open year round. In the Return of the Jedi, that Ville once again made an experience with a scene filmed at 20 Mule Team Canyon as C3PO and R2D2 walk up to the place of Jeddah, Jabba the Hutt on the planet of Tatooine. Redwood National Park, the forest moon of Endor. The mighty redwoods were used for filming the forest scenes of the moon of Endor in Return of the Jedi. In the final of the original trilogy, Return of the Jedi Episode 4, formerly Episode 3, several scenes were filmed in the redwoods of Del Norte County in Northern California. The redwoods of Del Norte County where where many of the scenes of the moon on of Indore were filmed. Del Norte County filmy location. Chatham Grove, now cleared private logging land. The speeder chase scene in the forest of Endor was filmed in Chatham Grove in Grizzly Creek. Redwoods State Park cross to the famous Avenue of the Giants in the spectacular Hum- Humboldt's Redwood State Park. Some scenes were also filmed on private logging land that was cleared after the movie. Entry fee. Non-Humboldt Redwood State Park open year round. Indore is a moon is the star wars universe famous for its seemingly endless forest and other green landscapes with few ocean. It was central to the story of the return of the Jedi and was the home of the Ewoks, whom many Star Wars fans either love or hate. At the end of the trilogy, Darth Vader's funeral was held on Endor. Tip: beside visiting Star Wars farming locations in California, fans can experience the Star Wars universe at Disneyland's Star Wars Galaxy Edge. Buttercup Village, the Great Pit of Carcoon. The Tatooine scene of the intended execution of Skywalker Solo and Chewbacca was filmed near Yoma in the dunes of California. The third Star Wars filming location is in the United States in Buttercup Valley in the desert near Yoma in Arizona. This is where Luke Skywalker, Chewbacca, and Han Solo were to be executed in Return of the Jedi by being cast into the Great Pit of Carcoon. The filming location is the Imperial Sand Dunes, a popular destination for dunes biggest. Buttercup Village filming location, Imperial Sand Dunes. In the filming of this scenes, a massive mock spaceship was built in the desert. Although this has long since been dismantled, the filming took place in 1982. Although the set took some 5 months to build, the crew stayed in Yoma, Arizona, the nearest town. Entrance permits required from October 1 through April 15 each year from $35 per week, saying the actual filming allocations for Star Wars can make for a once in a lifetime experience, but there are many other popular movie filming locations to see throughout the US when you done exploring Tanoin एंड इंदौर। तो दोस्तों आज की वीडियो के लिए सिर्फ इतना ही, मैं मिलता हूँ आपसे अगली वीडियो के अंदर, तब तक के लिए बाय।